I don't know if PNW boots interest you at all. Most of my viewers are for, 3 models of Thursday brand so far, and they don't care about these either. But it's a bit annoying when we are trying to sell. Oh, they are trying to sell some service, but using smoke and mirrors and clickbait. Again, these are the cobblers who make these YouTube content videos who are always saying stuff like, hey, look at what we can do. Don't ask us to do this because we won't do it because we don't have time. Well, then don't show me in the video what you can do if you're not going to offer that, because that was the whole reason I was watching your video. I'm turning into Tom Hanks in it. Okay. Most of the guys who are buying, again, if you're buying this, you don't know the difference. You don't care the difference. You just need something that gets you through the day on the job site. Why those companies charge extra that might otherwise seem gratuitous or whatever. But the PNW companies have a bunch of their own faults and such that, other people have been documenting more than me, because I've only run across a couple faults that were mostly fit issues.